Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the watch and confirming pairing with your iPhone so settings sync correctly. Open Settings on the watch, then go to Accessibility and Spoken Content. This is where the feature lives. Enable speak time and choose a voice and speaking rate that's clear for you. Once set, you've done the essential step. Make sure volume on the watch and paired phone is adequate. This ensures the watch can announce time without needing extra apps or complications. Now you configure how and when the watch announces time. Tap the speak time options and pick on tap or a cadence like every 15 or 30 minutes. On tap is immediate and reliable. Set haptic feedback so you get a subtle vibration with each announcement, and adjust volume so you can hear it in typical environments. If pronunciation seems off, change Siri's voice or language on your iPhone. This affects the watch's speech. Once configured, test with a tap. Finish by testing the feature in real conditions. Tap the watch face or wait for the scheduled announcement and listen. If nothing plays, immediately check silent mode, do not disturb, and the watch's volume. These commonly block speech. Make sure Watch OS is updated. Updates fix audio bugs. If it still won't speak, restart the watch and, as a last resort, unpair and repair with your iPhone to refresh settings. This sequence resolves most issues and gets speak time working reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.